Hey everyone, thanks for checking out my videos. I got an unboxing here and I'm going to do a comparison with another value RC, but this is a well-known RC, at least it is now, the 124018 Wltoys. And this, you might know, the 144001, the 114 scale buggy. Awesome buggy, probably one of my favorite budget RCs. But this is basically the middle brother, 1/12 scale, and they do make a 1/10 scale version of these now. But this is an awesome one, and we'll go over it as to why. But again, they do make two versions of the 1/12 scale. This is the buggy with the cage, or little off-road dirt racer, and then this one's their stretched buggy. But let's take a look inside. Got battery charger, manual. You can see the 1/12 scale, 4-wheel drive. Not too many extra parts, but not a big deal. This is the standard Wltoys budget transmitter. Not a problem. Trim, throttle, steering and throttle trim. Little foam grip. Uses four AA's. I haven't had any issues with these, but it is a combined ESC receiver. So if you do want to upgrade, you do need to swap them all out. This particular deal I got, I actually picked this up for $100. I think it was like $104 after taxes. Very nice. This one did come with two batteries. You can see inside there, they claim it's a 2200 milliamp 2S battery. And here's a shot of the RC. So these are pretty much, they look like the same wheels that come on the 14th scale, 1/14 scale buggy. Similar, if not the same shocks. Very cool, because these are full metal oil-filled shocks, meaning that not just the caps are metal, but the actual body is as well. Metal drive shafts. You can see the chassis. And let's pull this apart. And again, there's plenty of videos out on these. But what is neat about this guy, so cool, a little clamshell opening. But compared to other budget RCs that do come with the larger brush motor, this is a 550 size versus a 540. You might have seen one of my recent videos on the ENOS 1/10 scale, which is the one I will do a little comparison on with this, both being $100 budget RCs. But yeah, inside you can see it's very similar. It's just basically a stretched 144001, which is an awesome RC. Love it. And I was just waiting for the price to drop on this before I picked one up. Spare usable wheel and tire, and it actually has some oil dampening, which is awesome. So I just need to do some light adjustments, but I don't have to refill it. No working lights, but I'll get some running video up. Another very cool thing is you can see adjustable turnbuckles for tow and camber, which is, you know, pretty decent, especially for a value slash budget RC. You can even see additional mount adjustments here and here. So, you know, there is some tunability to this, which is really cool. But I'm excited to get this out. I think the stretched chassis will give it a little bit more balanced over the 14 scale. and if I like this enough and if I find an awesome deal, then I'm pretty sure I'll end up getting that 1/10 scale. But for me, I did want a different body over getting the standard buggy, as you see right here. But I'm pretty sure performance wise this might be a little bit more balanced, but both are very cool. And again, I just snagged this on a deal, 2 batteries, everything you see in this unboxing for $105 after tax. So very cool. I don't have any doubts that I'm gonna enjoy this, but I'll definitely get some running video up. My 14th scale, blue and green one, I did do the brushless conversion. I fried the electronics, and I have a video of that smoke, so check that out if you can. My second one, I did pick up a red and gray one, but my buddy curbed it and bent the chassis. So there's trades, give and takes on having a metal chassis versus a plastic chassis. Just depends if you're going for more performance, or if you're going for more bashing. But I know that these can definitely take it, which is cool. It's a proven model, and definitely check out other videos that are. So here's the comparison I was talking about. I just did a recent unboxing video of this, the Enos 920X series, their claimed 110 series, brushed, and I compared it to the ZD Racing 110 short course truck, and it could tell in the video that the wheelbase was noticeably shorter than the ZD 110, and here you can actually see that the wheelbase is pretty much the same or a lot closer to this Wltoys 1/12 series. So I do believe that this realistically is more of a 1/12 scale, at least wheelbase wise. And we can just check the width comparison, and we can actually do it from the back. So wheelbase wise, but width, it is definitely wider with the wider control arms. But we can get a shot at the inside, and I'll give you kind of my thoughts and breakdown of both of these. Definitely can't go wrong with either of these. This being the metal chassis, having a slightly bigger motor, 550 versus 540. Battery, I give it to this one, having the capability to hold a 2200 milliamp. Both run 2S. I have run 3S on the 14th scale. Have not tried it on this one yet, but both of them are 5-wire ESC receiver combos. So if you wanted to upgrade, you do need to swap all that out, which I did on my 14th scale. But if you wanted something to bash, take big jumps on, I'd probably recommend the Enos. This chassis can definitely take quite a bit, and there's a lot of videos on it. This one can take a lot too, but just because I've curbed it and or my buddy curbed it and has destroyed one, metal bends, it doesn't flex back, so that's just a drawback. But definitely for performance wise, if you wanted to race them out for whatever reason, this one would probably have the edge over this guy. This is not the fastest RC, but it is fun because it can go over things, it can take hits and bounce, which is really cool. But I am a big fan of both of these. Paid the same price for each of them. This one did come from through Amazon with an extra body, 2 batteries, extra parts. This one came with 2 batteries, larger batteries, which is cool. I did order it from AliExpress, found an awesome deal, $100. Definitely worth it. So if you can find both of these for the $100. They're both awesome. 1/12 scale RCs within that price range. So I'm gonna get some running video up, hopefully some side-by-side comparisons. If not, definitely of each of them. So thanks for watching.